Hi besties, welcome back to get another amazing video. In today's video I'll be showing you how I use Flaxseed to detangle my hair. Okay, this is really amazing for dry hair, and if your hair is really hard to detangle, and it's also helped to reduce breakage. So here we have our water. Okay, you can use like half cup of water, and I'm going to be adding few spoons of flaxseed. Okay, because I don't want the flaxseed to be too thick, so I add a few spoons, like 3 to 4 spoons is okay. Okay, then you stir it very well. You allow it to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so when you see that your flaxseed, all right, is very drained, just like this, you know your flaxseed is ready. Okay, as I said earlier on, I don't want it to be too thick, that is why it's a bit watery. So I'm going to strain this in my strainer just like this. If you have a cheesecloth or a wig cap, you can use that as well. It serves well as well. So I'm going to strain it and bring out our gel. Is the gel we are going to use for this today's treatment. Okay, it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. You don't need too much, or you don't need to break the bank. Just this detangle, and your hair will look so moisturized. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my space. Here I do natural ingredients to help you to grow your hair. Okay, love, so here I'm going to transfer it into my bowl. Okay, it's a bit hot, so I'm going to allow this to cool down for a while before I put it on my hair. Here I'm adding my hair growth oil, which is in the channel as well. Then I'll mix everything together. Why I added the hair growth oil? Just for it to have a base of sleepiness. Okay, so this is what we have. My hair, I just recently lost my hair, and I decided to do this treatment to help to detangle my hair before I wash it. This is like a pre-poo treatment that I'm gonna use on my hair before I wash it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take enough amount of it and then rub it all over my hair. Then I try to detangle my hair, like bring out my hair in sections, detangle it, and I'll do this as I go, and I'll show you guys at the end result, and I'll also show you guys the hair fall I have. Everything I'll show you in this video, so keep on watching. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and leave your commentary as well. Okay, let me know if you've used flaxseed as a pre-poo, because this flaxseed is so amazing for our natural hair. So like I'm done applying it on one side of my hair, like can you see the coils? Like flaxseed really define your coils, like it brings out your coils. If you're a 4C, 4B, for any natural hair, okay, flaxseed is gonna help you to bring out your coils. So right here I am done with one side of the hair, as I said, and I'm going to be doing this other side as well, like just to show you guys how I'm doing it once again. So I'll apply this all over my hair. I'll apply enough, like enough for everything to penetrate. I used every flaxseed I made. I used it on this my hair, and just do according to your hair. Okay, if your hair is bigger than mine, you can do more. Okay, just to make sure that your products are more than your hair. Okay, it's better you have more product than less product, so that your hair can really enjoy every benefit of the product you're putting on it. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing, which is to apply and detangle. Okay, sorry about the background noise. All right, love. So I'm here with my baby girl as well. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Like, can you see the coils? Like, it literally defined my coils and made my hair so soft. Like, it made my hair so and it was so easy to detangle my hair, and my hand could pass through my hair so easily. Like, I was not struggling with my detangling process. Okay, this is so amazing. You need to give this a try using flaxseed as your detangler, okay, before your wash day routine. I had hair falls, which I will gather them together and show you guys what the hair fall looks like. I feel it was not as much as when you detangle your hair normally, and over there I was just comparing my hair, because that place is a bit short and the other part of my hair is long. So that is to say, that was one part of my hair that I had the bald spot but has grown. Okay guys, so my hair is really doing well. I can say it's really doing well. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, if you're going to be using this flaxseed treatment as your deep condition or as your detangler. Me, I use it as a detangler. Okay, I also do flaxseed sometimes as a leave-in conditioner, okay, depending on my mood. But for today, I decided to use it as a detangler, and I am so amazed by the result I got. Like, this is so amazing. So guys, after everything, I'm going to be using my the nylon plastic bag and to cover my hair. I don't want to use my shower gel, my shower cap. I'm going to be using this plastic bag to cover my hair, and I'll just wait for like 30 to 45 minutes thereabouts. Then I will rinse it out, and I'll show you guys my final routine about rinsing my washing my hair. I've already done a full video of how to wash my hair. It's in the channel. Please do well to check it out. Okay, so this is what I'm saying here. So guys, this is 37 minutes anyway. Yeah, 37 minutes. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to lose 8. Yeah, so let's go and wash. I'll be right back. I'll show you guys my end result. If you've not seen my wash routine, it's simply simple. I may link it to this video, or you can just scroll down. You see my wash day. Yeah, so I'm just going to wash my hair, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like afterwards. So guys, don't mind my sweaty face. I just need to remove my phone. This is my hair. There is no product on my hair. Okay. I need to wash it. So this is what my hair is after using the flaxseed. Yeah, my hair is super soft, like really soft. I love it.
definitely there will not be any coins now. So I'll allow that to find that my hair is soft. Alright, so if you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button to actually join the family. Like the video, share the video as well. Okay. For the hair fall, this is the hair fall when I use the flaxseed to detangle my hair. This is the hair fall that I have. Okay. Then when I washed my hair and the hairs that fell down on the bathtub, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, you guys can see this. This way. As you can see, this is from the flaxseed detangling and when I rinsed out the flaxseed. So let me just put them together. Total hair fall. Yeah. So I'll see you all in the next video.